Cutting/breaking. When we cut, break, or tear something, the size or shape gets deformed. Due to this type of alternation, a physical change occurs. For instance, when we cut fabric to make a dress, it is a physical change. The fabric and the dress are made of the same chemical composition. Secondly, on breaking a pencil or a crayon, its shape and size change. The pieces still remain the part of a pencil. Hence, on breaking or cutting, a physical change occurs that brings alterations in the shape and size of the object. Melting. Melting is another way by which a physical change can occur. On melting, the phase or say, the state of the substance changes. When the ice cream starts melting, it changes into a liquid state, but the taste and all the chemical characters continue to stay the same as that of the solid or semi-solid ice cream. On melting, we receive a liquid version of ice cream M. Now, this process is reversible, and we can gain the original state of the ice cream back. So this proves that on melting, the physical change takes place. Freezing. For making jelly, the mixture has to be cooled and frozen. When we do so, the liquid state of jelly gets converted into a solid or semi-solid state. During this process, only the state changes, and all the internal composition remains the same. It does not involve the breaking of bonds or the formation of new bonds. Hence, this change can be inferred as the physical change. We know that it is only a temporary change, as the process can be reversed at high temperature. Through this example, we understand that freezing is another process that causes a physical change to occur. Boiling. Boiling can also bring physical changes to occur. It causes the phase change of a substance. When we boil water at its boiling point, the water changes into vapor form. Now, water is liquid and vapor is gaseous. So changes occur in the state of water, but the chemical formulas of both states are the same. The vapor can be reversed back into the water by the process of condensation. So on boiling, the physical change occurs. Dissolving. Dissolving is the process in which we add solute particles into a solvent and make a solution. When we dissolve two substances together, there is no release or intake of energy, and hence internal energy remains the same. The solvent molecules get further apart, and solute molecules get inserted. It does not lead to the emergence of any new substance, and therefore the whole process is the physical change. The example of dissolving is salt and water. On evaporation, the salt can be generated back. Hence, on dissolving, the physical change occurs. Mixing. Mixing also causes a physical change to occur. When we mix different colors, we obtain a new color. Only a different color is generated, no new substance is formed. Therefore, mixing also causes physical change. In some cases, the change is reversible, and in others, it is irreversible. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Is freezing a chemical or physical change? The everyday changes happening around us can be categorized as physical change or chemical change. The process of freezing is a physical change. The reasons are simple, as it does not lead to the formation of any new substance. The change is caused only in the phase. Also, the substance can be brought back to its initial state. Hence, freezing is a physical change. How can a physical change occur? The numerous physical changes occur all around us in different forms. The physical change occurs through physical means. The change in physical characteristics of objects like length, structure, or state is known to be a physical change. Which process leads to physical changes? The changes in physical characteristics of a substance are said to be physical changes. The melting, freezing, cutting, dissolving, and other such types of physical processes lead to the occurrence of physical change. All these processes can either be reversed or stay the same. They cause changes in physical properties. Give 5 examples of physical change. Physical change is the transformation caused by the physical properties of the substance. The 5 examples of physical change are melting ice, cutting trees into logs, tearing paper, dissolving sugar into water, and folding clothes. All these changes involve alterations in the size, shape, and phase of the object. They are either reversible or irreversible. Is the growth of plants a physical change or a chemical change? The whole process of the growing tree is both a physical and a chemical change example. The growth leads to an increase in the height and width of the tree, therefore, it is considered a physical change. At the same time, growth involves the photosynthesis process, therefore, it is also a chemical change. So a growing tree is both a chemical and physical change example. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.